Hey everybody, let's talk about something that no one likes admitting. So you post a photo that you know is really strong and you put it out on a photography forum with real photographers and you get absolutely nothing. No critique, no likes, no comments, no nothing. So if you ever wondered if the silence means that your work isn't any good, this video is for you. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related, and yeah, sometimes we do some regular photography stuff too. There's a myth out in the photographic world that if other photographers do not respond to your work must be weak. It sounds logical, but it's wrong. This actually applies to all forms of photography, not just concert photography, but all forms. Photographers observe. Most photographers look quietly, they analyze, they observe, and they move on. Hey, let's face it, commenting takes effort. It also implies a little bit of risk. And if there's no reason to, most photographers just won't do it. Silence means I looked, but I did not dismiss. Strong photos usually don't invite easy commentary. The photographs that usually get commentary have usually an obvious mistake. They have dramatic effect or something that just makes you go, wow. Okay, forums are useful. They're not art. They're not art galleries. And photography forums mainly, and I got a list here, what they do is they reward gear breakdowns, setting discussions, before and after edits, problems to solve, and posting a finished image without question leaves nothing for anybody to do. So forums on the internet for photography are not art galleries. So showing your art, unless you ask, unless you ask for something specific, people are going to do nothing. Silence is another form of self-protection. Photographers don't like to expose themselves by showing what they don't know. So it's not rejection, it's restraint. I made another list where another point is status and comparison matter. Forums are social places or environments, whether we admit it or not. So when you go to a forum, it's a social thing. And people engage there where they can demonstrate their knowledge. I'm smarter than you, or something like that is the way sometimes it comes off. Not always, but, sometimes people are very helpful, but you do have some bullies and kind of things that are out there. Okay, they want to be able to demonstrate their knowledge, and they can correct something, or they want to stand out. They want to look important or something like that. So you got to be very careful as to what's going on in forums. Quiet, competent work basically gets nothing. Quiet, competent work doesn't create a status opportunity. It gets passed over. So what that means is if you do something that looks good and it doesn't draw a lot of attention, people can't pick at it or make comments or that kind of thing, people just don't do it. They just don't make any comments about it. So if your work's good and you put it out there and nobody comments on it, it doesn't have any problems. So, in most cases, silence means three things. Three. There's nothing obvious to critique. I don't see anything wrong with it. There's no incentive to engage. There's no reason for me to comment. Or you didn't ask for feedback. You didn't put out a photo and say, hey, let me know what you think about this photo. None of those equal bad photography. None of them. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a little practical advice about how to use forums properly. If you want engagement, hey, Ask a simple question. Say, what is this specific question? What do you like about this photograph? What do you think about the light? What could I have done better? That kind of thing. State your intent. Why did you post this photograph here? Okay. Why is it there? Invite critique directly. Say, hey, I think I done good, but I really want to know how I could do better, or what do you think about my photograph? If you want growth, judge your work by longevity. Whether it belongs in a portfolio, not by the amount of comments you get on social media. That doesn't matter. Okay? That's a big thing. Hey, my final thoughts. Strong photos do not beg for attention. They wait until they hit the right audience. And that's the way it works. And sometimes silence is not dismissal, it's just the lack of noise. If this situation hit close to home, you're not alone. If you want honest information and conversation about photography, man, subscribe. If you've experienced this yourself, leave a comment. That's a discussion worth having.